New product release, UM-208 Shorting Cap. The UM-208 short circuit cap is a core component that provides reliable protection for outdoor lighting systems, designed to replace light controllers or be used when light controllers are not required. The short circuit cap adopts a sturdy and durable structural design, with excellent waterproof and dustproof performance, which can easily cope with various harsh outdoor environments. After installation, it can achieve an IP66 protection level using a UV-stable polycarbonate shell and an ergonomic twist handle design. During installation, first disconnect the power supply, then push up the short circuit cap and rotate it clockwise to lock it in the socket.